Dear students, today we will discuss class 10th 4th chapter quadratic equations. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन स्टार्ट करने के पहले थोड़ा सा पिछली क्लासेस के टॉपिक्स रिकॉल करते हैं. In 7th class you must have studied a chapter called simple equations, and in class 8th you have studied linear equation in one variable. This is an example of linear equation in one variable. ये एक इक्वेशन है 3x - 7 = 5. अगर आपको याद होगा क्लास 7th और 8th में आप इसका सॉल्यूशन निकालते थे. When you find out its solution, there will be only one solution possible to this equation. And what next? We put that value of variable in the same equation and we check whether our result is correct or not. If the answer is correct, then LHS and RHS both are same. This was done till class 8th. Then in class 9th, अगर आपको याद होगा आपने पढ़ा है linear equation in two variables. This is an example of linear equation in two variable. 4x - 2y + 11 = 0. The general form of this equation is ax + by + c = 0. And you must remember that you put any value of x by your choice and you get some value of y. So this equation can have infinite number of solutions. Now in class 10th we will study quadratic equation. So what these words mean? Linear, quadratic. Linear denotes that the highest power of the variable is 1. In linear equation in one variable, or it is linear equation in two variable. In both these examples you can see that there is no exponent or there is no power to the variable. वेरिएबल की पावर x, y, z कितने भी वेरिएबल हो 1 ही है. So this type of a linear equation can have more than two variables also. But if it is a linear equation in three variable, suppose there are three variables x, y and z, तो तीनों वेरिएबल के ऊपर आपको कोई पावर नहीं दिखेगी कभी, उसको बोलते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन. एंड नाउ दिस वर्ड कम्स क्वाड्रेटिक. So quadratic word denotes that the highest power of the variable is 2. It should not be 3, 4 and it should not be 1 also. So this is an example of quadratic equation. 2x square minus 14x plus 31 = 0. This is just an example. Its general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Like in this case, ax plus by plus c = 0. Similarly, ax square plus bx plus c = 0. In quadratic equations, you will always find only one variable. So this is called the equation, quadratic equation in variable x. If I write some another equation, 4p square plus 7p minus 19, then I will say that this is a quadratic equation in p, because there are three terms and the highest power of the variable is 2. इसमें एक ही वेरिएबल है p, फर्स्ट टर्म में उसकी पावर है 2, सेकेंड टर्म में उसकी पावर है 1 एंड द थर्ड टर्म इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म which is having no variable. So this is another example of a quadratic equation. तो आपको इस पूरे चैप्टर में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पढ़ना है और हम उसी इक्वेशन को क्वाड्रेटिक बोलेंगे जिसमें वेरिएबल के ऊपर 2 पावर वाली कोई ना कोई टर्म होगी. So is this a quadratic equation? Answer is no. Is this a quadratic equation? No. Both these are linear equation. If I write another equation, suppose 3x cube plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Again there are three terms. The last term is a constant term without variable. Second term, in this term the exponent or power of the variable is 1. In the first term I have taken power 3. So the highest power is 3, therefore it is a cubic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. So in the first exercise you will get a question. There are some 8 or 10 subparts to that question in NCERT book, and the question is that check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So after solving that equation, हम उसको सॉल्व करने के बाद हम देखेंगे, सब कुछ सॉल्व होने के बाद अगर उसमें 2 पावर वाली कोई टर्म है, then my answer will be yes. If there is highest power is 3 or 4 or only 1, then I will say that this is not a quadratic equation. So in case of quadratic equation, you will always get 2 solutions. In linear equation in 2 variables, there are infinite solutions. In one variable, there is only one unique solution. But a quadratic equation always has 2 solutions and we call them roots also. हम इस चैप्टर में आपको 2 वर्ड्स मिलेंगे, रूट्स या सॉल्यूशन. उस बहुत इजी चैप्टर है. हम आगे के डिस्कशन में हम देखेंगे कि वो रूट्स हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, सॉल्यूशन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. लेकिन इसके हमेशा 2 सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. इसमें 3 केसेस पॉसिबल है. हो सकता है कि दोनों सॉल्यूशन सेम हो या फिर दोनों अलग अलग हो. इट कैन हैव 2 इक्वल रूट्स, इट कैन हैव 2 distinct roots, and the third case is no real roots. We will discuss all these 3 cases. In the third case, the value which you find after solving the equation, those values are not real. So I hope कि यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसके आगे का डिस्कस करेंगे.